what Zay drew for me. She said she drew today at school. Gonna put it up here with all her other art. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna go around the house and do some deep cleaning because the house needs it. I did include a video of us going to the park with the dogs the other day, and also last night a video of my daughter last night that she got her phone taken away because she was being bad. She was good the rest of the day and she asked me if she could have it back, and I told her that if she could beat me in rock paper scissors then she could have it back. So you'll see that in that video if she ended up getting it back or not. But here's some clips of us at the park. Also, if you like these type of videos, if you could go ahead and give it a like and give me a subscribe, that would be awesome. It would help my channel a lot. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year.
Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's 1-0. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 That's 2. Yeah. Wait, you said best out of 3. She skunked.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some cleaning around the house. I just got home from taking my daughter to school, and I did go to Dutch Bros, of course. Got some pup cups for the dogs. Also got 2 things of the dog bandanas. They're giveaway today. I'm gonna open it in a bit. Gotta give these to dogs. Got myself a pumpkin caramel brulee with caramel soft top. And I got my husband a dinosaur egg rebel. So today we gotta clean around the house, clean up the living room area, clean up the kitchen, of course, and fold some laundry, get some laundry put away. I was supposed to go to the eye doctor today to fix my glasses because the nose pad broke off yesterday at dinner, but I didn't want these pup cups to melt, so I just came back home. I could do that tomorrow or after I pick up my daughter from school or later today. I also have to go return 2 dead plants from Lowe's and exchange them for new ones. Yeah, last night I was making dinner and the chicken felt rubbery and was not cutting properly, so I had to toss that out, and we just ended up going out to dinner. On our way home we got some dessert. Let's open these up real quick. So here's the first one. We got the red one, the red bandana. Looks like that. Pretty big bandanas. We have 4 dogs, but only got 2 bandanas because there's 1 per medium drink, and I'm not buying 4 medium drinks because there's only 2 of us who would drink it. And we got the blue one. That's nice. At least we didn't get the same, so that's cool. And these would probably only fit Zoe and Lila because Bailey and Henny are way too small for this. But yeah, let me go let the dogs in because I let them out to potty while I went to take my daughter to school. So let me let them in and give them their pup cups. Also need to sweep and mop too. Come on. Hello, Zoe. She's always the first to finish. Yeah, so you need to sweep and mop that. I don't know. She's like very picky about it. She's already almost done. She's basically already done. And one for Lila. Happy, so happy. try to get rid of this family sign because I got rid of a lot of signs and decor that I had. I left it out front for whoever to take it, and it went away in less than 24 hours, tell you that. Yeah, this was one of the things that I was trying to get rid of also, but my husband really liked it, so I just decided to keep it and just put it here. That's pretty much for today's video. I did get some laundry done, some sweeping, mopping, dishes. Sorry for this angle that you have to see my double chin here when I'm folding laundry. But yeah, I got to deep clean the house, do the bathroom, all the things. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you'd like to see more of these type of videos, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Again, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So it would really mean a lot if you would subscribe to the channel here. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye, guys. Laundry is done and folded, and I normally just leave it here and they put their clothes away themselves, or if I'm in the mood to, I'll put it away for them, but I'm just gonna leave it here and they can put it away for themselves, because my daughter, she likes to put her things away where she wants, that way she can remember where it's at. Otherwise she's gonna come asking me where things are at.